Hello there. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will describe the health benefits of a popular succulent, commonly known as aloe vera. Aloe vera is a stemless or very short-stemmed plant with thick and fleshy, green to gray-green leaves, which has small sharp teeth along the edges of the leaves. Each leaf contains a slimy tissue filled with water called gel. Aloe vera gel is a clear, thick and gooey substance which has been commonly used to relieve sunburn and heal wounds. Spreading by offsets, the plant can grow about 60 to 100 centimeters tall. The botanical name of aloe vera is Aloe barbadensis Miller. The name aloe vera derives from the Arabic word Alloeh, meaning shining bitter substance, while vera in Latin means true. Aloe vera belongs to Asphodelaceae family. Originating from the Arabian Peninsula, this pea-green color plant grows mainly in the tropical and semi-tropical regions of Africa, Asia, Europe, and America. The aloe vera plant has been known and used for centuries for its health, beauty, medicinal and skin care properties. 2,000 years ago, the Greek scientists regarded aloe vera as the universal panacea. The Egyptians called aloe the plant of immortality. It is said that Egyptian queens Nefertiti and Cleopatra used it as part of their regular beauty regimes. Alexander the Great and Christopher Columbus used it to treat soldiers' wounds. Today, the aloe vera plant has been used for various purposes in dermatology. The aloe vera leaf comprises three parts: the skin, the latex and the gel. The latex is a thin layer of yellow liquid between the skin and gel. The latex contains the compounds that are responsible for laxative effects. The skin of aloe vera leaf is completely edible, which are eaten as salads or as a vegetable to dip into hummus. The aloe vera gel contains the most therapeutic benefits, which is also edible and commonly consumed as juice or soft gel mixed with fruit juice. When you process aloe gel for oral consumption, I advise you remove the latex, as consuming too much of it can cause serious side effects. You can easily remove the latex from the gel by dipping the aloe vera leaf into water for 10 to 15 minutes immediately after cutting. Aloe vera is a very potent, medicinal plant. It contains 75 potentially active constituents of vitamins, enzymes, minerals, sugars, lignin, saponins, salicylic acids and amino acids. Though aloe vera is commonly used for skin care and wound healing, but it has many other health benefits. Aloe vera is known for its antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties, which help to heal wounds and treat skin problems. Aloe vera gel contains powerful antioxidants belonging to a large family of substances known as polyphenols. These polyphenols, along with several other compounds in aloe vera, help inhibit the growth of certain bacteria that can cause infections in humans. Aloe vera gel has been reported to have a protective effect against radiation damage to the skin. Applying aloe vera gel in the skin generates an antioxidant protein known as metallothionein, which prevents UV-induced suppression of delayed-type hypersensitivity. A preliminary study suggests that topical aloe vera gel can slow aging of the skin. In a 2009 study of 30 females over the age of 45, taking oral aloe vera gel increased collagen production and improved skin elasticity over a 90-day period. Reviews also suggest that aloe vera could help the skin retain moisture and improve skin integrity, which could benefit dry skin conditions. Studies have shown that aloe vera treatment can accelerate the healing of mouth ulcers known canker sores. The ulcers usually form underneath the lip, inside the mouth, and last for about a week. Another study showed that aloe vera gel not only accelerated the healing of mouth ulcers, but also reduced the pain associated with them. However, it did not outperform the conventional ulcer treatment. Aloe vera gel can be used as a natural laxative and help move bulk along the digestive tract. Drinking aloe vera juice helps increase the water content in intestines. Study has shown a relationship between increasing the intestinal water content and the stimulation of peristalsis, which helps to pass stool normally. Though the latex, a compound that is responsible for the laxative effect, people have raised concerns about safety with frequent use. If you are taking aloe vera gel for constipation, be sure to start with a small amount, about 200 milliliters juice, in order to allow your system to get used to the laxative effects. Enzymes contained in aloe vera known to help the breakdown of sugars and fats and keep the digestion process running smoothly. Optimal running of digestive system is vital for the absorption of the nutrients from the food you're eating. Aloe vera may help decrease irritation in the stomach and intestines. The juice may also help people with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other inflammatory disorders of the intestines. One 2013 study of 33 IBS patients found that aloe vera juice helped reduce the pain and discomfort of IBS. Aloe vera juice is known to have a soothing effect for those with acid reflux symptoms. Acid reflux can arise when stomach acid flows back up the esophagus. Acid reflux symptoms include a burning sensation in the chest, bloating, nausea, and cough. The antibacterial properties of aloe vera kills the bacteria associated with acid reflux and improve digestion so the system can come back into balance. Tooth decay and diseases of the gum are very common health problems. One of the best ways to prevent these conditions is to reduce the buildup of plaque, or bacterial biofilms, on the teeth. Study shows that aloe vera is effective in killing the plaque-producing bacterium Streptococcus mutans in the mouth, as well as the yeast Candida albicans. Though aloe vera is considered safe to consume, but it may have a number of side effects on different individuals. Long-term consumption of the latex of aloe vera has been known to cause effects such as gastrointestinal discomfort, kidney issues, muscle weakness, and arrhythmia. Consuming aloe vera gel containing latex while pregnant is not safe, and if consumed over a long period, can be fatal. Those with IBS, or other digestive disorders should exercise caution when consuming aloe vera gel with latex, as it could worsen the condition. The aloe vera gel itself may not be safe for those taking certain prescription medication and may cause interactions. Do not eat aloe vera topical gel, as it contains other substances that can be toxic. Regardless of the kind of consumption, aloe vera has a unique profile of nutritional benefits that can treat various health issues. Aloe vera juice can be purchased in most health food markets. When shopping for aloe vera juice, it's important to consider organic, pure, and 100% aloe juice. I hope you have received some important information about using aloe vera for various health benefits. If you have liked the video, please click the like button. For more such video in future, please subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe button below. See you again in my next video. Till then, goodbye.